Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, I will walk you through how to send money to your sibling using Cash Apps right from your phone. Let's get started. At first, open the Cash App on your smartphone on the home screen. You will see a large dollar symbol where you can enter the amount you want to send. Simply type it the amount. Let's say it's $20 for lunch or any shared cost. Next step, tap the pay button located at the bottom right of the screen. This will take you to a new screen where you can enter the siblings details. You can send money using their cash tag, phone number, and email address also. Whichever is linked in their cash app. Once you have entered their info, you will see a section where you can add a note. This is optional. It's a good idea to type a short message like dinner or movie ticket to remind both of you what the payment was for. Whenever everything looks good, just tap pay again to confirm. The money will be instantly sent to your siblings' Cash App accounts, and they will get a notification right away. Here I have attached step-by-step screenshot for send money to a siblings, and that's it. Thank you.